Hi, this is Angel Diaz with a quick review for the Rubbermaid commercial recycling station. This one is a two-stream station with the landfill and the mixed recycling option, but could be customized with color code lid or any other lid opening and waste labels as well to meet your unique recycling needs. This one provides a consistent visual cues. That way, when people are going to recycle their stuff, it's really easy to identify the location. So to simplify the sorting in the recycling of the correct bin. This one holds a 23-gallon bag and easy to secure the bag with the simple snap option. They are designed with a heavy-duty construction material to hold any of the recycling parts, and also they are connected, as you can see in the video, as I mentioned early in this video, with the two-stream station. There are also other options to have a three-stream station, but this one works pretty nice for our needs. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.